Hello everyone and welcome to Defense Shows. I Kiran. So today we will read about the common error and in common error we will read verb. Alright. After it we will solve the question of spotting the errors and after that we will do vocabulary. Alright. We will read vocabulary. We will learn 10 new words with their synonyms, antonyms. Alright. And a statement and after that a quiz. So here we go, and this series is useful for defense examination and all the competitive examination. So verb, all right. So verb is a word used to describe an action, state, okay, of occurrence and forming the main part of the sentence. All right. बिना verb के we can't form a sentence, right? So verb क्या होता है? इज़ यूज टू डिस्क्राइब एन एक्शन, कोई भी काम को दिखाना, अ स्टेट ऑफ अकरेंस कि ये काम हो रहा है. इफ़ यू वांट टू just know what is the verb used in that sentence, then ask the question, you will get the verb, right, of occurrence and forming the main part of the sentence. Now let's see an example. I play cricket. Can you find what is the verb? Right, so verb क्या है? क्रिया, right. तो play यहाँ क्या है? verb है. और राइट, राम इज 10 year old. अब इस इसमें क्या है? वर्ब है. ऑल राइट, सो काइंड्स ऑफ वर्ब. सी, देर आर सम मॉडल्स वर्ब you might have heard about. You have to do, right? Could, can, must. So friend, these are the modal verb. All right, then main verb, right? We learned about the main verb is are. All right, and then there are some auxiliary verb, then finite and non-finite verb. All right, what are finite? Means if you are changing your statement according to the first subject, so it is finite. All right, if there is no disturbance in the sentence, all right, there is some disturbance in the sentence according to the sentence, is known as the non-finite verb. It may be clear in our upcoming classes. All right, next one is transitive and intransitive verb. Okay, so there are some rules, as this verb class is little bit lengthy, so we have divided it into two part. All right, so today we will read some rules and after this class we will read some other rules. All right, so first rule is, if two subjects together express one idea, okay, if there are two subjects, okay, if there are two subjects together express only one idea, one being added to the other for the sake of clarification. So अगर दो सब्जेक्ट हैं और वो एक आइडिया को एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं, सो द वर्ब इज सिंगुलर. सो जो हम वर्ब यूज़ करेंगे वो क्या होगी? सिंगुलर होगी, डिस्पाइज द फैक्ट देयर आर टू सब्जेक्ट्स. ऑल राइट, सो लेट्स सी एन एग्जाम्पल. स्लो एंड स्टडी विंस द रेस. ऑल राइट, अब इसमें कैसा विंस आया ना, विंस द रेस. ऑल राइट, अगर क्योंकि ये सिंगुलर हम इसे काउंट कर रहे हैं. ऑल राइट, स्लो एंड स्टडी विन द रेस नहीं, स्लो एंड स्टडी विंस द रेस. All right, so next one is, bread and butter is essential for one's existence. See friend, bread है and butter है. There are two words and two subject we can say. So according to it R आना चाहिए. But what I told, if two subjects together express only one idea, तो one idea के इसमें one existence. All right, so क्या आएगा? is आएगा. All right, so error में ये mostly पूछा जाता है. सो नेक्स्ट वन इज, व्हेन द प्लूरल नाउन डिनोट सम स्पेसिफिक क्वांटिटी. ठीक है, जब कोई प्लूरल नाउन क्या डिनोट करता है? स्पेसिफिक क्वांटिटी डिनोट करता है, और डिस्टेंस, टाइम और अमाउंट. ठीक है, कंसिडर्ड एज अ होल. सो उसे हम कलेक्टिव नाउन की तरह ले लेते हैं, कलेक्टिव चीज़ की तरह ले लेते हैं. ऑल राइट, एज अ होल द वर्ब इज जनरली सिंगुलर. ठीक है, तो उस टाइम पे क्या होता है? वो सिंगुलर होता है. ऑल राइट, जस्ट सी एन एग्जाम्पल. 6 miles इज नॉट अ लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस फॉर मी. अब देखो 6 है. ऑल राइट, माइल्स हमने एस लगाया, बट आफ्टर डेट ऑल्सो वी यूज्ड इज. वाई नॉट आर? बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रूल. वट इज दिस रूल? टिल्स अस व्हेन द प्लूरल नाउन, ठीक है, व्हेन द प्लूरल नाउन डिनोट सम स्पेसिफिक क्वांटिटी, ठीक है, डिस्टेंस, टाइम और अमाउंट, कंसिडर एज अ होल. सो वी कंसिडर्ड इज एज अ होल. ठीक है, वन थिंग वी कंसिडर. द वर्ब इज जनरली सिंगुलर. एट दिस टाइम द वर्ब इज सिंगुलर. ओके, इज सिंगुलर है. ऑलराइट, now see in the next example. These are important friends. This might ask in the question. ठीक है, in your examination. 10 lakh is equivalent to a million. Okay, 10 lakh are नहीं, ठीक है, 10 lakh is equivalent, although these are numbers, alright, plural in numbers, but इसे हमने कलेक्शन में ले लिया है, ठीक है, alright, हमने क्या कंसिडर कर दिया, एज अ होल कंसिडर कर दिया है, alright, तो 10 lakh is equivalent. Moving toward the next rule, it is two or more singular subject connected by either or neither. ठीक है, two or more singular subject, okay, two or more singular subject connected by either or neither, nor take a verb in a singular. All right, let's see an example to be more precise. Either Vivek or Vimal is absent today. Although there are two boy, all right, Vivek भी है, Vimal भी है, so we might use are, but according to this rule अगर either और neither आता है उसके बाद जो verb लगती है, ठीक है, वो हमारे क्या लगती है, is लगती है, और कोई भी singular verb लगती है, ठीक है, either Vivek or Vimal is absent today. All right, so next one is he asked me if either of the applicants was suitable. See whether, अब इसमें क्या है, if either of the applicants है ना, but हमने क्या करा, asked me, इससे हमने was लगाया, ठीक है, although आपको पूछा जा सकता है, यहाँ वर्ड दिया जाएगा और पूछा जाएगा कि स्पॉटिंग द एरर, स्पॉट द एरर, और राइट, सो यहाँ वर्ड नहीं आएगा, वॉज आएगा, ऑल राइट, बिकॉज हम इसे क्या ले रहे हैं, ईदर और नीडर वाले केस में सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट कनेक्टेड बाय ईदर और मोर, नॉट टेक अ वर्ब इन अ सिंगुलर, ऑल राइट, सो व्हेन द सब्जेक्ट जॉइन बाय और नॉर, ऑल राइट, आर ऑफ डिफरेंट नंबर्स, ठीक है, the verb must be plural and the plural subject must be placed next to the verb, ठीक है, let's see an example. Either you or I shall go to the party. Either you, ठीक है, और देखो दो, या तो either you or I shall go to the party when the subject joined by or, ठीक है, और not से भी are of different number, the verb must be plural, so verb क्या होगी, plural होगी, all right, and the plural subject must be placed next to the verb. So these are the questions we have to do in a one go, all right. So see, the first one is each of you have to find the error, all right, using knowledge of verb and the tenses, all right, of the tense. Each of these players have been warned not to repeat the silly mistake, no error. See friend, अब यहाँ हमें error find करना है, so each of these player has been warned, ठीक है, collective noun में लिया ना हमने, से collection में लिया, so has been warned आना चाहिए था, ठीक है, so हमारा B part में क्या है, error है. Next one is lime and soda is a digestive drink, no error. So where would be the error? See, lime and soda, ठीक हो गया, is, yeah, it is correct, so there is no error. अगर यहाँ आर आता तो एरर हो जाता, ऑल राइट, तो लाइम एंड सोडा, जैसे ब्रेड एंड बटर वाला एग्जाम्पल था, वैसा ही लाइम एंड सोडा इज अ डाइजेस्टिव ड्रिंक, ऑल राइट. सो नेक्स्ट वन इज द मदर एज वेल हिज चिल्ड्रन वर ब्रॉट टू द पुलिस स्टेशन फॉर इंट्रोगेशन, नो एरर. सी फ्रेंड, इसमें द मदर के हिसाब से हमें क्या करेंगे, वर्ब चेंज करेंगे, सो मदर एक है ना, सो यहाँ करेंगे द मदर एंड द चिल्ड्रन. फर्स्ट की एज वेल एज वाली कंडीशन में, नीडर नॉर वाली कंडीशन में हम फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट को देखेंगे, ऑल राइट. सो नेक्स्ट वन इज हिज benevolence and kindness are admired by his friends, no error. See friend, where would be the error in this part? So there would be error in the second part, all right. You have to replace are by is. His benevolence and kindness is, एक चीज़ है ये, ठीक है, सिंपल वन, ध्यान देना है. She never has and never will allow her only son to join politics, no error. See friend, this is important one. अब जब ऐसी वाली आता है ना, हमें लगता है कि सही है, बट ये सही नहीं होता. कैसे? She never has and never will, ठीक है, allow her. अब देखो, she never has के बाद कहना चाहिए she never has allowed, ठीक है, कभी अलाउ नहीं करा, बिकॉज यहाँ क्या है, अलाउ है ना. C, never has allowed and never will allow. Alright, so error is in the first part. Next sentence is intelligence as well as knowledge of the subject are required to grasp the meaning of the book. No error. See friend, where would be the error? It would be in B part. Alright, you have to replace R by is. Okay, intelligence as well as knowledge of the subject is required. Okay, is required to grasp the meaning of the book. Alright, next one is 20 officers have been dismissed and 30 left on their own. See friend, ये ना सेम वाला है, जैसे ये था ना वैसा ही है. 20 ऑफिसर हैव बीन, यहाँ हैव बीन आया, डिसमिस्ड. ठीक है, एंड 30 हैव लेफ्ट. ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट वन इज every word and every line in the poem of Wordsworth sings the blessing of nature. See friend, where would be the error? Just read once. Every word and every line in the poem of the Wordsworth sings the blessings of the nature. So there is no error. The sentence is correct. Alright, so D हमारा option हो जाएगा. Next one is so honestly he worked that he was rewarded by the chairman of the company. No error. See friend, where would be the error? It is in the A part. Okay, you have to replace he worked by did he work. Like so honestly did he work. Alright, did he work. Okay, worked नहीं आएगा. Did he work that he was rewarded by the chairman of the company. Next one is 4 miles are not a long distance for a young person like you. No error. See friend, I told you, जैसे कोई भी ऐसा collective तरीके से होगा तो उसमें हम is लगाएंगे. ठीक है, तो 4 miles is आएगा. Alright. Next one is no sooner he was brought here and he began to feel uneasy. No error. See friend, where would be the error? It would be in A part. You have to replace he was brought by was he brought. Okay, he no sooner was he brought. Alright, you have to learn this type of sentence. Okay, no sooner was he brought. ठीक है, here then he began to feel uneasy. No error. So error is in the A part. Next one is he, like the other members of his family, were left shelterless as a result of flood in the town. No error. See friend, where would be the error in this part? You have to replace were by was. ठीक है, he like the other member of his family was, क्योंकि इसकी बात कर रहे हैं ना हम, was. ठीक है, so error is in the B part. Next, in old age, none of the relatives are prepared to come to the help of the old and the sick. No error. See friend, where would be the error? It is in the B part. You have to replace are by is. ठीक है, in old age, none of the relative is prepared. ठीक है, in old age कोई भी मतलब कोई भी एक इंसान भी नहीं है prepared. ठीक है, तो इसमें क्या आएगा? is आएगा. Alright, I don't think 5,000 rupees is a larger. Simple one. It were the students who wanted the teacher to declare holiday. No error. See friend, अब I'll tell you one thing. If अगर if के साथ ना, if imagination sentence हमेशा क्या आता है? were आता है. If I were, if you were, if I were president, I have done this, I would have done this, like this. But जब ये sentence क्या है? It were है, it है ना, तो it were नहीं, it was the student. ठीक है, प्रॉपर नाउन सा यूज हो रहा है ना, इट वॉज द स्टूडेंट्स. ऑलराइट, सो क्या है? ए पार्ट में क्या है? एरर है. नेक्स्ट वन इज सो फास्ट डिड ही ड्राइव मोटर कार दैट इवन द बेस्ट ड्राइवर कुड नॉट ओवरटेक हिम. नो एरर. सी फ्रेंड, वेयर वुड बी द एरर? सी दिस सेंटेंस इज करेक्ट. ओके, सो फास्ट डिड ही ड्राइव. अगर सो फास्ट ही ड्राइव मोटर कार होता तो गलत हो जाता है. हमें क्या लगाना है? So fast did he drive motor car that even the best driver could not overtake him. No error. ठीक है, डी पार्ट सही है. Every one of the new nursing homes coming up in the urban areas need a lot of improvement. No error. See friend, where would be the error? It is in the C part. Alright, it is in the C part. Every one of the new nursing homes coming up in the urban areas needs. Alright, बी सी पार्ट में क्या है? एरर है. नेक्स्ट वन इज नेवर आई हैव come across a man who is foolish to such an extent, no error. See friend, the error is in the A part. Alright. Never have I, never have I, never have I done this कहते हैं ना, तो never I have नहीं, never have I. Alright. Next one is he will be likely to take part in the ceremony provided he is granted leave, no error. See friend, where is the error? Okay, it is in the A part. You have to replace will be by is. Alright. He is lucky. ठीक है, simply he will be lucky क्या? He is lucky to take the part. Right. Next one is 2/3 of the majority are needed to pass the resolution for the impeachment of the president, no error. See friend, where is the error? It is in the B part. Okay, 2/3 of the majority is needed. ठीक है, simple one. During freedom struggle, many a patriot were filled with patriotism, no error. See friend, the error is in the C part. Alright. During freedom struggle, many a patriot were, अब यहाँ वर है ना, तो ये तो कॉम्बिनेशन है ना, मतलब कलेक्शन है ना, तो वर्स आएगा. ऑलराइट, सो वी हैव डन विद द spotting the errors too. Now this time for vocabulary. The first word is exacerbate. See, this word I have told you in my previous lecture too. देखो, exacerbate मतलब क्या होती है ना, कंडीशन पहले ही खराब है, अब और ख़राब होना. ठीक है, कोई भी डिजीज कंडीशन है वो और भी exacerbate हो गई है. Alright, pneumonia has been exacerbated to the other diseases. और ठीक है, ऐसे बोल सकते हैं exacerbate हो जाना, मतलब एग्रोवेट कोई कंडीशन ना और भी ख़राब हो जाती है, बर्बाद हो जाती है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? एक्सरसर्बेट हो जानी, हो जा. ऑल राइट, सो सिनोनिम क्या हो जाएगा इसका? वर्सन और इन्फ्लेम. ऑल राइट, सो ऑपोजिट विल बी calm, cool, and in the normal position and recovering we could use for the exacerbate opposite form. Next is, let's see the sentence. The exorbitant cost of the land in urban areas only exacerbate the problem. Alright. Next one is tenuous. Alright, it's an adjective which means slight, थोड़ा सा. Okay. tenuous मतलब क्या होता है ना? Very weak भी होता है. Very weak. Alright. So synonym would be insubstantial. Okay. And antonym is flimsy. See, flimsy means क्या होता है ना? Easily damage हो जाना. ठीक है, easily damage. Right. So example, the tenuous link between interest rate and investment. All right. So next one is lackluster. It's an adjective which means uninspired. ठीक है, means uninspired. You are not inspired by something, you'll say uninspired and lackluster. So synonym would be uninspiring, unimaginative. See friend, these are so simple, means they are related to each other only. So what you have to do, you have to see that what does lackluster mean? It is uninspired. All right, so antonym would be inspired, simple one. Let's see an example. No excuses were made for the team lackluster performance, means uninspired performance. All right. Next word is contention. Friend, it's a noun which means disagreement. You are not agree to somebody, all right, somebody opinion or anything else. So synonym would be dispute and disputation. ठीक है, अगर agree नहीं होंगे तो in any case क्या हो जाएगा? Conflict arise होगा और dispute होगा. ठीक है, and disputation same thing. So antonym would be agreement. Like let's see the example. The capture territory was the main area of contention between the two countries. See friend, simple example. Okay, दो बाउंड्रीज के बीच में कंटेंशन रहता है ना हमेशा, तो वही एग्जाम्पल है. नेक्स्ट वन इज प्लेथोरा. सी फ्रेंड, प्लेथोरा मतलब क्या होता है ना, कोई चीज़ बहुत एक्सेस में होना. ठीक है, वी कैन से प्लेथोरा ऑफ द बुक. ओके, वी कैन से प्लेथोरा ऑफ द बुक. Synonym would be abundance and overabundance. Antonym would be threat. All right. C always has a plethora of bad joke. All right, means excess of the bad joke. All right. So threat मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? Coming. Okay. So next one is reticence. It's a noun which means reserve रहना. Okay. So opposite क्या हो जाएगा? Expensiveness. Okay. Synonym is introversion and restraint. See an example. She passed as if hesitating to confide until her anger overcome her reticence, means reserve क्वालिटी. नेक्स्ट वन इज सरमाइज. सरमाइज क्या है ना, वर्ब है विच मीन्स गेस करना. ठीक है, मीन्स कोई चीज़ सस्पेक्ट करना. कंजेक्टिवल मीन्स भी सस्पेक्ट करना होता है. ऑलराइट, तो एंटोनिम या आई नो मीन्स जानना किसी चीज़ को. So let's form an example. I surmised that something must be wrong. Means I guessed it. Something is wrong. Something is fishy. All right. Next one is fallacious. It means you are doing fall. कुछ चीज़ गलत हो जाना. ठीक है. और इसे हम erroneous, ये error से divide arise है. ठीक है. Word erroneous. All right. Synonym would be false and untrue. And antonym is true. Let's see an example. His argument based on fallacious reasoning. All right. His argument is based on fallacious reasoning. Next one is veil. Veil means क्या होता है ना, covert. अब covert क्या होता है? Covert which you can't see. Alright. Covert and overt behavior होता है. Overt means क्या होता है? Observe. We can observe that behavior. But covert behavior को हम observe नहीं कर सकते हैं. Okay. So synonym would be surreptitious and hidden. Alright. Antonym is overt. Overt means observable. You can observe that thing. Let's see an example. Cold mist veiled the mountain peak. Alright. Next one is stress. Stress मतलब क्या होता है? Nonsense and which is not required. Alright. Pap which is not required, which is damaged. Alright. Trivial. And antonym क्या हो जाएगा? Logic. Let's see an example. If they read at all, they read trash. Okay. So we had done with the vocabulary part 2. Now this time for you, you have to find all the words. You have to find all the words which are needed. All right. So exacerbate means क्या होता है? Means antonym, right? You have to find the antonym of the exacerbate. I told you exacerbate मतलब क्या होता है? Condition is worsening. So opposite क्या हो जाएगा exacerbate का? Calm. All right. So next is tenuous. So what would be the opposite of tenuous? It is, so opposite of tenuous will be flimsy. All right. So next one is lackluster. So lackluster का opposite क्या होगा? Inspired, because all other are the similar meaning to the lackluster. All right. Next one is contention. See friend, contention means मैंने बताया था disagreement. ठीक है, तो disagreement का opposite क्या हो जाएगा? Agreement. All right. Next one is प्लेथोरा. प्लेथोरा मीन्स कहते हैं एक्सेस किसी चीज़ का होना. ठीक है, तो ऑपोजिट वुड बी ड्रिथ. नेक्स्ट वन इज रेटिसेंस. रेटिसेंस का ऑपोजिट विल बी, लेट्स सी, इट इज एक्सपेंसिवनेस. ऑलराइट. नेक्स्ट वन इज सरमाइज. सरमाइज ऑपोजिट वुड बी नो. ऑलराइट. नेक्स्ट वन इज फेलिशियस. फेलिशियस ऑपोजिट वुड बी ट्रू. ओके. नाइन्थ इज वेल. वेल का मतलब क्या होता है? कोवर्ट. ठीक है, विच यू कान सी, विच इज हिडन. सो ऑपोजिट वुड बी ओवर्ट, ऑब्जर्वेबल. ऑलराइट. ट्रेस मीन्स क्या होता है? नॉनसेंस. सो करेक्ट आंसर विल बी लॉजिक. सो वी हैव कंप्लीटेड आवर क्विज टू. Thank you. Keep learning. If you like the session, don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe our channel. In case you don't know that we have live classes too of maths at 6 p.m. and of SSB at 8 p.m. Do visit them. Jai Hind.